हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद विधि। आप सबने एज़्योर, AWS, GCP, ओरेकल ऐसे बहुत सारे क्लाउड्स के नाम सुने होंगे। तो इस वीडियो में आज हम सीखेंगे क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के बारे में और इसका ओरिजिन कैसे हुआ। टॉपिक्स जो आज हम कवर करेंगे: व्हाट वाज बिफोर क्लाउड, इश्यूज बिफोर क्लाउड, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ वर्चुअलाइजेशन, व्हाट इज क्लाउड एंड एडवांटेजेस ऑफ क्लाउड। स्टार्ट करते हैं origin of cloud computing के साथ। Before the advent of cloud computing, organizations and individuals relied primarily on on-premises computing infrastructure. On-premises computing infrastructure refers to a data center. A data center is like a large, highly secure and organized warehouse of computers and other technical equipments. For example, this is our data center. We have servers to process our data. We have network components to connect all the infrastructure. We do have storage for storing our application code and other tools as well. So what were the issues with the on-premises technology or the data center? So first is the high capital cost. Setting up and maintaining an on-premises data center can be very expensive due to initial investment in hardware infrastructure, power, cooling, and ongoing operation expenses. Second issue is the scalability. Scaling an on-premises data center can be a cumbersome job and costly too, requiring additional hardware, space, and resources. It's challenging to quickly adapt to changing demands for increased computing power and storage. Third issue is the maintenance and the management. Data centers require constant maintenance, updates, and upgrades to ensure optimal performance and security. This includes hardware maintenance, software updates, and security patches. Fourth is security. Security is a major concern with on-premises data centers. Organizations need to invest heavily in physical security measures, access controls, and advanced cybersecurity protocols to safeguard sensitive data. Fifth is disaster recovery and business continuity. Planning and implementing comprehensive disaster recovery solutions to ensure business continuity can be complex and expensive. Sixth, limited geographic reach. The limited geographic reach with on-premises infrastructure refers to the challenge of accessing and managing data and services from a single physical location or a few specific locations, which can lead to other issues like latency, redundancy, scaling across regions, compliance, and many more. Seventh is energy consumption and environmental impact that are major concerns associated with on-premises data center. Data center requires substantial amount of electricity to power servers, storage systems, networking equipments, and cooling systems, contributing to high energy footprints, which can lead to increased carbon dioxide emissions, contributing to climate change and environmental degradation. Eighth is lack of flexibility and agility. Technology is evolving day by day, but data centers find it hard to quickly adjust or expand their storage and operations or computing, making them less agile and flexible in managing data efficiently with the increasing demand. Ninth is limited redundancy and reliability. Imagine a single road connecting your home to the rest of the world. If that road has some problem like a blockage or damage, you are cut off. Similarly, in an on-premises setup, if a crucial server or system fails, there might not be a backup or alternative route, causing disruptions. This lack of backup plans and redundancy makes the system less reliable and more prone to failures and downtimes. Last is the vendor lock-in. In an on-premises setup, if you heavily invest in one vendor's technology, it can be challenging to switch to another vendor later. This reliance can limit your choices and flexibility in adopting new and possibly better solutions, making you locked in with that vendor. The need for virtualization in a data center arises from the desire to optimize resource usage increase flexibility, and streamline management. Virtualization involves creating a virtual representation of resource like servers, storage, and networking components within the data center. This enables the efficient sharing, allocation, and management of these resources, leading to several benefits. It was introduced to reduce the on-premises issue, majorly the costing. Initially, in a data center, one server was required to host one application. So for n number of applications, n server were required. But applications were not utilizing the server capabilities to the maximum. So with the help of virtualization, one server can be divided into n number of virtual machines depending on the specifications of the server and the required virtual machines, and n number of applications can be hosted into that virtual machine. So that reduces the cost of n number of servers to the very less number of servers. The two very famous virtualization softwares available in market are the VMware and the Hyper-V. Virtualization helped with major concern regarding the cost and the optimum use of resources in the on-premises data center. But we do have other issues in the on-prem as well, which was not catered by the virtualization. But with the evolution of virtualization, we evolved to cloud computing. So now cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Cloud computing is similar to website designed to use large-scale data centers owned by big market giants like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. So cloud is nothing, it's just a layer of virtualization with the power of user interface of a web application with our classic old data centers that are molded to our new modern requirements. So cloud is nothing, it's just a web application. We can understand that whenever we use this web application and want to create any virtual resource or any of the resource as per our requirement, for example, a VM, a storage, or a network component, with few simple clicks, we can create that component in the backend data centers. For example, if we are using the Azure portal, so using the Azure portal, it's just a web application. You can create virtual machines, storage components, networking components, and many other resources in the backend data centers owned by the Microsoft organization. Moving forward with the advantages of cloud. Cloud is accessible anywhere with any devices. You can use your laptop, mobile, or tablets to access your cloud platforms or the portals like Azure, AWS, or GCP. Ability to get rid of most or all hardware and software. If you want to upgrade to new hardware or software as per your requirement, you can do it in very simple clicks. Centralized data security. High performance and availability. Availability zones and sets can be used for high availability. Quick application deployments. Deployments can be done in very simple, quick steps using IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS features of the cloud. Instant business insights. You can use dashboard feature to understand or estimate the cost of your business. You can analyze and understand the trends of the traffic for your application and many more. Business continuity or DR is very easy in the cloud. You can migrate from one region to another in case of any disaster. Price performance and cost saving. Cloud is a pay-as-you-go model. You pay that much only for the resources you use. Virtualized computing. Cloud computing is greener. Thank you everyone. I believe this helped you with the basic understanding of cloud computing. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel for such more videos.